Hello and welcome to Knowledge Hub. Silicon Valley Bank's 4-decade run as the tech world's preferred lender came to sudden end Friday after the Feds shut down the embattled firm due to liquidity fears. Though boring by Silicon Valley's usual standards and little known outside business circles, the bank played a critical role in supporting the tech sector during its recent boom in valuations. The bank was in talks to sell itself on Friday after efforts to raise outside capital failed. But by Friday afternoon, the Feds had shuttered SVB entirely and placed its assets under the control of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp. SVB spooked investors after disclosing this week that it had taken a $1.8 billion hit from a $21 billion fire sale of its bond holdings. The bank faced a cash crunch due to surging interest rates, and a recent meltdown in the tech sector led many customers to pare their deposits. Shares of SVB Financial, the bank's parent, had plunged by a whopping 60% on Thursday. The stock was down by another 60% in pre-market trading Friday until being halted. Why was Silicon Valley Bank shut down? Regulators were forced to shut down SVB to protect its depositors after a run on the bank ensued this week. Investors scrambled to withdraw their money following warnings from Peter Thiel's Founders Fund and other tech sector giants. Who are Silicon Valley Bank's customers? Silicon Valley Bank was a favorite lender among tech startups prior to its downfall. The firm's website notes that SVB Bank's nearly half of all U.S. venture-backed startups, and 44% of the U.S. venture-backed technology and healthcare companies that went public in 2022 are SVB clients. Notable firms listed as SVB customers include Pinterest, ZipRecruiter and Shopify. Who leads Silicon Valley Bank? Greg Becker has served as SVB's president and CEO since 2011. He first joined the bank in 1993 and held various leadership roles before taking the top gig, according to SVB's website. As the Post reported, Becker tried to quell investor concerns with a last-minute conference call on Thursday, to no avail. "My ask is to stay calm because that's what is important," Becker said during a conference call with investors on Thursday. "We have been long-term supporters of you. The last thing we need you to do is panic." Is Silicon Valley Bank's collapse a contagion event? It's still unclear how SVB's downfall will impact the broader economy. Other bank stocks slumped on word that the FDIC had taken over the firm. Big Short investor Michael Burry likened SVB's collapse to that of scandal-ridden Enron, while hedge fund billionaire Bill Ackman suggested the federal government should bail out the bank. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave